Since they are considered a super spreader of COVID-19, the National Oversight Committee, in collaboration with the National Fitness Association, is looking at ways on how gyms can reopen. Statutory Instrument 149 of 2020, for now, prohibits the opening of gyms and fitness centers across the country while protocols are being ironed out.
Ms. Kathy Main, the Chamber of Commerce's representative on the N.O.C, was tasked to work particularly with this association so that we could reach a point of agreement. And where we are is that they are asking that the Central Building Authority be designated as the entity to approve applications for reopening and to monitor compliance with the protocols that would have to be agreed before there can be any reopening, and that the CBA also be empowered then to lift that permission if persons are found in breach. I make clear that despite reservations, and I looked at it very carefully and I saw where there is a division of opinion, but internationally the majority opinion seems to be that gyms are potentially extremely dangerous in terms of the spreading of the virus.
Some 25 gyms and counting are members of the recently formed association, whose facilities have been closed down for over 6 months. Since Friday, the association has been meeting with the N.O.C to determine a way forward, hopefully within the next 2 weeks. According to co-chair Albert Garcia, there is not enough data to stigmatize the fitness industry.
To our understanding, it was really getting rid of the stigma, I think, first off, associated with the perception that gyms are super spreaders, as many different people put it or phrase it. For us, definitely not the case, specifically a Zumba conference that they had, because of the close contact and the aerosol or just the excess exhalation and the breathing, and that spreading the COVID-19 virus to others, because it seems that a couple of the instructors there had it. That seemed to be the initial issue, and the massive stigma placed on gyms, not only in Belize, but worldwide. For me personally, and from a lot of the research I've been doing, that's not conclusive enough to really say that the gym causes this. From Friday forward, we've been in different meetings with people from the N.O.C and different governmental agencies to look at a way forward with regards to reopening, but doing so in the safest possible way. We've come to the point whereby we're looking at amalgamating our proposal and what they have put forward as theirs, and looking at the best way forward to ensure that we can first off open safely, and then as we move forward, really look at providing, as far as I look at it, at least an essential service for the Belizean society.
While the legal aspect of making fitness centers and gyms an essential service is being discussed, Garcia says that they are looking at standardized protocols to be enforced at facilities across the country.
All of this was together in the proposal, so we were looking at many different things. We looked at one, direct protocols to be put in place in terms of looking at sanitizing immediately before getting in the gym, of course, having their social distance markers, various things in terms of ensuring a mask is always on, and also setting up different sanitization areas in the facility to ensure that people can properly clean it. But one of the things we look at after getting in, and even getting to back in training, first off, it's sanitization immediate prior to and after and post exercise to ensure that we can really mitigate the spread as best as possible. Another thing or another protocol in place is to ensure that all trainers do have on a mask.
Duane, Moody for News 5.